I think it just took me by complete surprise. I thought we had a really good training session Thursday, and our captain's run on Friday was as good as we've had. And I don't know whether that lulled the boys into a false sense of security because, you know, I've been coaching for a long time, and I've seen us train really well and come out and play well, and I've seen us train really poorly and come out and play well, and I've seen us train really well and come out and play poorly, as I said. So, you know, I thought maybe there was that, just everything went so well during the week that we came out on Saturday and just thought it was going to happen, because we certainly go after the game. I thought we would, and that may be, you know, as you say, the cause of that may have been focus. But as I said, I didn't see that coming at all. By the way we prepared for the week, I was expecting a fairly aggressive game from us.